2019 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, climate control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.